See this drawing? See this suitcase? Can I make it a real life? If you've seen the thumbnail, you probably think, yes. And yes, that's right. But do you want to know how I made it? Why my hand is in a bandage? Where is this drawing coming from? And what is in the bloody suitcase? This video you will find out. But first, a word from our sponsor, Skillshare. No, I'm just kidding, nobody sponsors me. But if you like what I do, check out my Etsy, Teespring, or ask for a commission. Okay, thank you. So, this is the drawing I made. It's called Inner Child. A businessman hiding from the rain with a little umbrella. But his inner child loves the rain because it's just water type to play. I created it for the Frooz challenge. Last year I started an Inktober kinda challenge, but with my own subjects and in me. Lots of people participated. This year subjects were Consumed, Inner Child, Dr. Starfish, Flower Creature, Puppet Master and Metal Mouse. This year less people participated, but I still appreciate it a lot. But what we're really interested in is this suitcase. I really like what I did with this design. I do have a case like this at home and I thought I can recreate it in real life. It's not really clean or symmetric, it's just a bit chaotic. Just the way I like it. Still, I want to do this somehow right. So I made a scaled up sketch first. This paper is the paper that came with my shoes like 10 years ago. But now I can use it once again. I know if you rub some chalk on the back of that kind of paper and you retrace it with any object, the shape should appear underneath it, in chalk. But it was complete trash. What I did then was I grabbed a water-based black marker and did a sketch, baby steps. Then I used my beloved Posca paint marker to draw the final result. This is the same marker I used in my haunted guitar video. I'm working on another Posca video, so stay tuned for that and be sure you're subscribed. You wouldn't want to miss on that. Paint markers are a really satisfying tool. It just works, you know. Shake it and ready to use. Stick on basically everything, one layer is enough. Kinda scary in a way because there's no way back. Once it is on there, it is on there. But why is my hand in a bandage, you ask? Well, it was a dark, cold night. I was walking in the middle of the streets while I saw this beautiful raven. He just stared at me, making an uncomfortable loud screeching sound and flew away. The sound of heavy footsteps could be heard from the back. Every step a bit louder. When I realized what was happening, I was about to turn and froze. Should I look over or should I run away while I still can? I could feel the breathing on my head. Whatever it is, this is big. Slowly but surely I opened my eyes. And what I saw was the inside of a huge mouth, biting my hand and Don't believe him, he just stood up too fast while sitting on the table and squeezing his own hand between his leg and the table. So my suitcase has a crack on it, right? I scratched it with an X-Acto knife to make a scratch. To give the illusion of a crack, I used a dark marker and while it was still wet, cleaned up the spilling on the surface. My drawing has a bandage too. A normal bandage would not do this job. So I tweaked it a little bit to make it cartoonish and artistic as possible. And this is the final result. I am really satisfied with it. Another project done. But do I actually use this suitcase? Well, yes I do. But what mystery can be found behind the locks of this masterpiece? Is it gold? Diamonds? Plans to rule the world? No. It are my most used tools. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please press like, subscribe, press the bell, leave a funny comment and share it with everybody you know and everybody you don't know. It would seriously help me out in the future. And if everything goes well, I can even increase the quality of my videos even more. Thank you very much. And follow me on Instagram.